we still in worksheet A. They want to sketch the function, the contour function, at C1, 4, and 9, and use this to sketch the surface. Okay, so we C equals 1. It means that 1 over x squared plus y must equal 1. If you flip both sides, imagining that this is 1 over 1, would be x squared plus y squared equals 1. This here is a circle with radius 1. If I do C equals 4, so I have this equals 4, or 4 over 1. If I flip, then I have x squared, y squared equaling 1/4, which is also a circle, but with radius half. The radius is always the square root of this. If I take C equals 9, I flip both sides, then this is a circle with radius 1/3. So you go here, you go x, y. So you need, if say this is 1, 1, minus 1, 1. You have a circle at 1. You also have a circle at half. So if this is half, if this is half, this is minus half, minus half. You have another circle at half. And there is a circle at third, which is like roughly here. That's another circle. Now, if you want to do it 3D, to know what the surface is going to look like, this is usually y, x, and z. Imagine that looking at it from the top. Basically, if you look at it from the top, it would look like a cone. So it would look something like this. So you have like a piece here, and a piece here. I'm not very good at sketching 3D. And then you have a curve going like this. It would look something like this. If you look at it from the top, it would look something like a cone, and it would be something like this, if you can imagine it. This is question 3 of your tutorial or worksheet. By the way, it's not very straightforward topics, I know, but that's what you have. Now then you have the 2 limit questions. Let me just check the picture here. The first limit question, question 4, you have find the limit as xy approach 2, 1, and it's x to the x squared y plus xy cubed, and in the bottom it's 3x plus y squared. As you guys know from before, any limit question you start plugging. So it would be 2 squared times 1, x is 2, y is 1, and 2 times 1 cubed. You have 3 times 2 and 1 squared. This is 4 times 1. This is 1 times 2. This is 6 plus 1. So your answer is basically 6/7. You don't need to do anything special. You have a number, we're okay. Question 5 is also a limit question. Limit, x, y approach 0, 0. And it's 2x cubed y squared x squared y x squared plus y squared. So if you do this limit question, you start by plugging, but that would be 0/0, so you need to do something special. One way is to approach it. You say we can approach 0, 0 along y-axis, meaning you set x to 0. So you find limit when x is 0 for the question. If you plug 0, that would be y squared, because that cancels out, over y squared. The answer would be 1. I'll erase some of the top part. If you find the limit, now approaching along, say, we did the y-axis, we do the x-axis. So now y equals 0. 2x cubed y squared x squared y x squared y squared. You plug 0 for y, you get 2x cubed over x squared, so you get 2x. So you have 2x equals 1, making x equals half. Because this limit is 1, this limit is... So the answer would be half if you do it. Now you can try different methods to find the answer. I'll go... You can also show along y equals kx, if you like. So it would be limit x and y go to 0, 0. If you plug instead of y, kx squared would be k squared x squared k squared kx x squared kx squared, and simplify this. I can take x squared as a common factor. That would leave me with 2x plus k squared. It would leave me here with kx plus x plus k squared. Cancel, cancel. Now plug 0 for x, you get x squared over x squared 1. So again, you will set 1 to equals 2x, x will equal half. You don't have to show that extra step, but this is how you approach the limit question. I'll start in the next part, worksheet B.